In today's video, I am going to teach you how to introduce yourself simply in English. It seems like something very easy to do, but when somebody asks you to introduce yourself, you probably go blank. I'm going to give you some sentence starters, and by the end of this video, you're going to be able to introduce yourself in English. To start off with, you need to greet and say your name, obviously. These are some sentence starters you could use. Hi, I'm Kevin. Hello, my name is Kevin. Hey, I'm Kevin. After that, the second thing you would explain is where you're from. You could say any of these. I'm from London. I live in London. I'm originally from London. I was born and raised in London. In my case, I am actually half English, half Spanish. So I've lived both in London and Barcelona. Right now, I live in Barcelona. After saying where you're from, you could speak about your job or studies. These are some sentence starters you could use. I'm an English teacher. I work as an English teacher. I'm currently working as an English teacher. And if you were a student, you could say, I'm a student and I'm studying whatever you're studying. In my case, I am currently working as an English teacher here in Barcelona, in Spain. I studied a degree in English literature and I also studied a master's in teaching English as a foreign language. After you've talked about your work or your studies, you could talk about your hobbies. Again, here's some sentence starters for you to use. In my free time, I like going to the gym. I enjoy going to the gym. I'm really into going to the gym. One thing I love is going to the gym. So yeah, in my free time, I do like going to the gym, and I also like creating English content for you learners. After you've explained all the basic stuff, you could give a future goal. That could be quite interesting. These are some sentence starters you could use. In the future, I'd like to be a YouTuber. My goal is to be a YouTuber. I'm hoping to be a YouTuber. And yes, I would really like to be a YouTuber and teach English on YouTube, apart from teaching English at a school, as I am already doing. Once you've finished introducing yourself, you could say any of these. Nice to meet you. It's great to meet you. Or you could ask a question like, how about you? Right, now, I'm going to extend the self-introduction a bit. This is not what you should do if you're introducing yourself to somebody that you've just met. But I'd like to get you to know me a bit more. So, yeah, I'm going to explain who I am and you can learn some more English with this. My name is Kevin and my first surname is Martinez. My second surname is Dowsett. Martinez is my Spanish surname and Dowsett is my English surname. So my dad is Spanish, actually from Granada. He was raised in Barcelona, and my mum is from London. My mum and my dad actually met here in Barcelona at a nightclub when they were young. My mum was studying at university and, well, here I am. I speak both languages, Spanish and English. I'm actually bilingual, well, trilingual. I also speak Catalan, which is a language spoken here in Catalonia. I have two siblings, a brother who lives in London and a sister that lives here in Barcelona too. I'm 34 years old. My sister is 27, I think, and my brother is 36 or 7. I'm not too sure. I have always worked as an English teacher. I started doing private classes when I was 16, and I'm 34 now, as I just said. So I've been teaching English all my life here in Spain. I studied a degree in English literature here in Barcelona. I'm also CELTA qualified. I took my proficiency exam, so C2 level. I've got that certificate too. And after that, I studied a master's in teaching English as a foreign language to be able to work in secondary schools here in Spain. As I mentioned in my brief introduction, I love going to the gym. I work out 5 times a week if I can. I don't really have any other hobbies. The only other thing I do really is take my doggy out. And yes, my future goal is to become a YouTuber, maybe part-time, maybe full-time. I'd really love to have a positive impact and help people worldwide learn English for free. I've just started out on YouTube, so I'm still improving at YouTube. On Instagram, I do have 350,000 followers doing short format where I also teach English. And on Facebook, I'd say I have 600,000 followers and 50,000 on TikTok. So yeah, I teach English in short format content on those platforms. I've been doing that for 2 years. So now I've decided I also want to do YouTube. Anyway, why don't you introduce yourself in the comments? You can do the brief introduction with my sentence starters. If you're at a higher level or you feel it's too easy, maybe you could introduce yourself more naturally as I just did. And I'd love to read your introductions and get to know you. Do send this video to anybody that gets stuck when they're introducing themselves. I do think it can help. Oh, by the way, something else that I do is I record vlogs around Barcelona teaching English, but it's slightly different to typical English classes. It's comprehensible input. So I teach English naturally. I walk around Barcelona with my girlfriend, with friends, and I teach you vocabulary as we explore the city, or I do everyday stuff. Have a look at my vlogs if you want to learn English in a more natural way.